Hi friends, so in this video we are going to see how we can output a string or character through UART port of our embedded device using printf statement. So here you can see I have PuTTY function defined that will output hello character by character, and if you check this PuTTY definition, it is using internal embedded registers to output the data, and I'm going to use this same function and rename it, and that will in turn make the printf statements to use this function definition or use logic to output data through the UART port. So let's make the necessary changes for this. You can see how the data is being printed here in this UART port, UART terminal. Now if we come back here, what I'm going to do is I'm going to rename this function. I will take a copy of this function and I will I will change the function name and arguments with a new value. I'm going to use fputc as function name, and I'm going to use arguments ch and file *f. So what this will do is, there is already a fputc function defined in the stdio library. So I am going to replace that function with this function, and whenever I use fprintf function call, fprintf will in turn use this function to output the characters, and it will output the characters one by one. So main advantage of using fprintf is we can directly use decimals, floating point numbers or anything with the fprintf without any converter or converter function. So now I have done the required function changes. Let's call this function let's use now start using fprintf and see how it will work in our system, in our device. Before that we need to add embedded we have to include stdio.h library here. Also we need to enable microlib option here, so that printf will use a minimalized version of the internal stdio library to reduce the memory consumption for embedded devices. Now I will include this stdio.h in our main function also, and now instead of this PuTTY functions, I'm going to use printf. I will print something here. Okay, now let's compile this and see how it will work. This warning you can ignore. Now you'll see the new values getting printed. I'm resetting the device to get it printed. So you can see now the printf statement is using our defined UART specific function to output the characters. And if you want to use some decimal number here, you can use %d. This is one of the advantage I earlier mentioned. So if I add this number here and compile this, you can see now I will see that value also. So you can see the number without any conversion. I directly used a number and I got it output through the UART terminal. This way you can use any value in printf without any converter function. So thank you for watching this video, guys. Have a nice day. Bye.